Welcome to the All Motors Brands channel, where we bring you the most detailed reviews and insights into the world of advanced aviation and military marvels. Today we're diving deep into one of the most groundbreaking developments in American air power, the rumored F-47, a next-generation air dominance fighter that represents the future of aerial warfare. This sixth-generation aircraft is part of the United States Air Force's NGAD program, short for Next Generation Air Dominance, and it is not just a fighter jet, it's a revolution in combat aviation. The F-47 is designed to surpass everything that has come before it, including the F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Lightning II. With the aim of total air superiority, the F-47 integrates the most cutting-edge technologies known to modern science and engineering. Built to dominate in highly contested environments, the F-47 blends stealth, speed, artificial intelligence, advanced weapons, and extreme connectivity with manned-unmanned teaming. While many details about the jet remain classified, what we know so far paints a picture of a war machine that seems to belong to a sci-fi universe more than today's battlefield. One of the defining features of the F-47 is its adaptive cycle engine, designed for better fuel efficiency and extreme performance. This engine technology is capable of shifting between high thrust and high efficiency based on mission demands. It provides greater range, more loiter time, and better thrust than fifth-generation jets. This means the F-47 can fly longer distances without refueling, stay on the battlefield longer, and engage with more targets without needing to return to base. The engine is likely part of the XA-100 or XA-101 program from General Electric or Pratt & Whitney, and it incorporates advanced materials and cooling systems to handle heat from high-energy weapons and advanced sensors. Speaking of sensors, the F-47 is expected to include a full suite of sixth-generation avionics. These are not just radar systems, but sensor fusion platforms that collect, process, and share battlefield data in real time. The jet will be capable of operating as a flying command post, sharing information with satellites, ground stations, and other aircraft, both manned and unmanned. This level of situational awareness is critical for operations in modern electronic warfare environments. It means the pilot of the F-47 will not just fly the aircraft but command the skies with a network of connected systems. Artificial intelligence is another core element of the F-47. The fighter is expected to include onboard AI that assists the pilot in threat analysis, target prioritization, mission planning, and electronic countermeasures. AI co-pilots may even control loyal wingman drones, autonomous or semi-autonomous aircraft that fly alongside the F-47, extend its capabilities, and take on dangerous missions like USAF, suppression of enemy air defenses. Or ISR, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. These loyal wingmen could act as force multipliers, absorbing enemy fire, attacking radar systems, or relaying communications. In terms of physical design, artists' renderings and speculative leaks suggest that the F-47 features a sleek, delta-wing shape with blended body contours optimized for radar evasion and extreme agility. The airframe is likely to use advanced composite materials and radar-absorbing coatings to reduce its visibility across multiple spectrums. Internal weapon bays help preserve the jet's stealth profile, while its wings may include modular pods for mission-specific tools like electronic jammers, reconnaissance sensors, or even directed energy weapons. Yes, the F-47 may include laser weapons in future versions. While operational deployment of airborne lasers is still under testing, the F-47 platform is being designed to support such upgrades. The U.S. Air Force has long been interested in energy weapons for missile defense and offensive disruption, and the F-47 could be the aircraft to bring that vision to life. Other futuristic features include swarm drone deployment, cyber warfare tools, and the ability to seamlessly transition from manned to unmanned operation. The cockpit of the F-47 will not be like traditional fighters. Expect to see a helmet-mounted display system similar to the F-35 but with more advanced functionality. Augmented reality overlays, gesture-based controls, and voice command integration are expected to reduce pilot workload and improve reaction time. The interface will be tailored to enable high-speed decision-making in high-threat environments, allowing the pilot to stay focused on the mission rather than the machine. Another standout feature is the use of digital engineering and open mission systems architecture. The F-47 has likely been developed with virtual modeling and AI-assisted design, which dramatically speeds up the development timeline and enables easier upgrades. The software systems on board the jet are expected to be modular, allowing the Air Force to plug in new capabilities without needing full-scale hardware redesigns. This approach helps the jet stay future-proof in an ever-evolving combat landscape. Overall, the F-47 is not just a sixth-generation aircraft by number, it is sixth generation by capability and mindset. It represents a major leap from the F-22 and F-35 by pushing the boundaries of stealth, speed, sensors, software, and autonomy. As the global airspace becomes more contested and as peer adversaries like China and Russia continue developing their own sixth-generation programs, the F-47 will stand as America's answer to the next century of aerial combat. If you're passionate about aviation technology, fighter jet comparisons, or cutting-edge military hardware, make sure to subscribe to All Motors Brands. We bring you the most in-depth reviews, breaking news, and analysis on everything that flies. Your support helps us grow, and we promise to keep delivering top-tier content for aviation fans around the world. Subscribe now and stay ahead in the world of aerospace power.